Today's LeetCode question is a medium one, which is 869 reordered power of 2. So I have already solved it, as you can see here. So in this question, what we have given is that we have given integer n, and we have to reorder their digits. Like if you have given 20, then you can reorder as 0 to not. Here you can see that like in the question we have given is that the leading digit should not be 0, so you cannot convert the 20 equals to, like, 20 can't be converted into 0 to. So if you have a 1 2 3 4, then it can be converted as 2 3 4 1 4 3 2 1 1 3 4 2, and many combinations can be applied. And after applying those, like reordering, you have to figure out that it is a number which is a power of 2 or not. So for that, let's consider what I have done here is that I just considered let me again do that. So first of all, what is the approach for today is that if you consider 32 bits integer, then only 32 numbers will be there, which is like which is the number which will be the power of 2. So for finding that, what I am going to do is that I will initialize x as a 1, and I will just left shift this multiple times for like I equals to 0 to 31 times. That is I will just left shift this by I, then I will get all of those numbers which are the powers of 2, and I will just, what I am going to do is just I will just convert it into a string. This will be converted into a string, and I will sort this, because I will just check out that the given number, I will convert the given number as well into a string, and I will sort that string, and all of those number which are the like powers of 2, uh, I will sort them as well, and I will compare just that both are equal or not. If it is equal, that means this is a power of 2. That's all about this question. Like let's say we have n equals to 24. No, let's say we have n equals to 61, then we can reorder 61 as 16, which is a power of 2. So after sorting, we will get that there is a 6 and 1, then it can be like converted into 16, so that will be power of 2. So what I'm just doing is just we will sort, after converting into a string, all of the 32 numbers into a 32-bit integer array, which are like basically your powers of 2. So I will just sort this for that begin not being, and s dot end, and I have to compare. For that, I will just let me consider here a string as t equals to, I will change just n into a string, and I will sort that t, and for that as well I have to use begin and end. So we have to check here every time, like s is equals to t or not. If it is equal, just return true. That's it. And after checking all the 32 numbers which are the powers of 2 is not matching with the given number, then we just have to return false. And if I run this code, then it is correct, and if I submit this, that will be also correct. So that is all about today's question. So thank you for watching this video.